I know we've been covering on this channel the Johnny Depp Amber Heard trial, okay? And we stand on behalf of Johnny Depp, or we stand behind Johnny Depp. Hashtag justice for Johnny Depp. So Amber Heard's team is clutching for straws. They're grabbing them. They're clamming for them. They are desperate as hell, as ever. And the reason that I can say that is news has broken by Deadline, who's a shill network behind Amber Heard, by the way. Okay, that Johnny Depp is being called to testify by Amber Heard's team. Amber Heard's team is going to call Johnny Depp to testify for Amber Heard. I don't see this going well at all. Because here's the problem. Johnny Depp, well, okay, let me cover it this way, okay? There's a couple problems for Amber Heard's team. They haven't proven that Johnny Depp was the abuser. In fact, it's the opposite. And they haven't proven that Johnny Depp had a smear campaign against her. Okay. They also have the issue of they only have 8 hours and like 15, 16 minutes left. I think maybe 13 minutes is what I'm hearing. I don't remember. But I know it's 8 hours. So what do you get? Well, Johnny Depp is a slow talker. So slow. This is right. And it's going to be so slow for them, he's going to run out the clock. Let's say they have him testify for 3 hours. Now they only have 5 hours left to get whatever they need out. And Johnny Depp's team has 18 hours. The other problem they have is when Johnny Depp testified, he admitted to his faults. Yes, look, I'm not perfect. I do drugs. I smoke. I drink. I do this. I did that. I said that. Yes, I'm not a perfect person. That's the summary of what he said, but I said it faster than he did. Faster than he did. So he's willing to admit his faults wherever they are and whatever they are. Amber Heard was not willing to admit her faults in any way. So that creates a huge problem for Amber Heard's team. Bring it on! Bring it on! So, because that brings such a huge problem for them, right? I don't see how this is going to help. But the other problem is Johnny Depp is so likable. He's got a lot of charm and charisma. And he's a comedic genius. Remember how he was telling off Rottenborn? I played the video for you on the live stream. You guys can go check that out. The very first live stream I did discussing the Johnny Depp Amber Heard trial, how Depp's witnesses mopped forward with Amber's team, I think is what I called it. They were going over tabloid articles and he's like, "Were you there? Were they there? Who's Alison Boshoff and how did she know? Did you put cocaine in that box, huh? No, but it looks big enough to put some cocaine in." Like, Johnny! It was awesome. Okay, it was awesome. So this just doesn't help. In my opinion, it doesn't help. It's been over 3 weeks since he testified. The jury, they probably forgotten what he said. I don't know. I would. If I was a juror and I had to go over all of that evidence, yeah, I would. But now you're going to give them a chance to remember Johnny and like Johnny. If they like Johnny Depp, they're going to like him even more. Amber's team hasn't proved agency. They haven't proven any part of their case. But hey, you know what? If they want to run down the clock like this on Amber Heard's team, it's going to give Johnny Depp's team enough time to cross-examine him and they'll be able to have their time completely unopposed. I feel like this is an Amber thing where she's like, I want to humiliate Johnny. Let's humiliate him. And this is, I can't imagine that this is gonna help them. And you know, I think this has hurt real abuse victims. I've had a lot of people come up to me and tell me, yeah, you know, that you know, this isn't right. She's not acting right. This is how she's supposed to be acting if she was abused. And this is not good. Now, they're going to have an anatomy expert and I forgot the other expert they're going to have, but essentially, IPV expert. So first on the anatomy expert, I mean, what is she going to prove? That this was broken? Her nostrils were broken? Her nasal cavity, whatever? I don't know. Because when you say, oh, my nose was broken, but, you know, I felt better the next day. No. It's either she thought of it as a boo-boo, or she's just making it up. And honestly, she's just making it up. There's no way she thought of it that way. The other thing, too, that I think it is, I'm speaking to the top of the microphone. I'm pretty much trying to see how it would sound. The other part of it is, I'll just speak here. I just don't see this working out. Are they going to talk about the scars on her face? Are they going to talk about her sliced up feet? This is a problem. Also, is this expert going to lie? I don't know. Or is it going to come back and bite them in the ass? The other thing is the IPV expert. I thought we already had an IPV expert on behalf of Amber Heard, but it was Dr. Don Hughes, and other courts have actually struck her testimony because she's just looking for clout and credibility, because she likes to be a part of these high-profile cases so that she can get more credibility, I guess. And she's not actually an expert. Now, she's board certified, which Amber's team made a big deal about with Dr. Curry, but Dr. Curry actually knew what she was talking about. She rarely ever had to check her notes, ever. And if she said, look, I just don't know it, you know, she didn't know it. And Dr. Don Hughes was so biased, they proved that she never met Johnny Depp, she never spoke to Johnny Depp, she never tested Johnny Depp. The only time she's ever testified on behalf of a man is in a same-sex couple relationship, but she thinks that in a man versus woman relationship, in a man-woman male and opposite sex relationship, right, man-woman relationship, that the female is never going to be the abuser, that only the male can be an abuser. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to tell you, and I'm sure that you've learned throughout this case, that is not true. Women can also be the abusers. I'm not going to say it's men more of the time. No. But both are capable. Just because they're women doesn't mean that they're not capable. So, I don't know. Maybe they're trying to like patch things up because Dr. Hughes was so unlikable. And they're afraid of her testimony being... They're afraid of her testimony being struck. They're also going to have Jennifer Howell, who was Amber's sister's former boss, so Whitney Heard's former boss. And she says that she has about 20 witnesses that have heard Amber's sister or heard Whitney Heard say that she was afraid of Amber and she was afraid of her hurting Johnny. So she's going to obliterate Whitney's testimony because Whitney lied on behalf of Amber, because she's Amber's little punching bag as her little sister, and she's so used to the rock star lifestyle, she knows that Amber's her only way in. So she wants to stay on Amber's good side. Testify again, testify for me, sis, or I'll freaking cancel your lifestyle here. So Jennifer Howell's going to testify to that. I don't know how this is going to help Amber in any way. I really don't think it is. Now, are they going to have a line, too, at the end of his testimony? At the end of Johnny Depp's testimony? Of, like, remember when he said, are you a domestic abuser? What do you say to that? Yes, I am. All right, no further questions. Boom. In law, that's like, I guess, in lawyer talk, that's like in court, that's like the mic drop moment. Are they going to have another mic drop moment? Is he going to have another line prepared to go boom and leave it all in us to go, oh! Because look, Judge Penny, the double standard woman, remember, she's a woman, so she has double standard. And I'm not saying that because she's a woman, she has double standard. I'm saying that look at how she treats Amber Heard's team versus Johnny Depp's team, our team, basically. Yeah, she has a double standard. I'm sorry. She said, "Hey, if you're in the middle of a testimony, if you're in the middle of a witness, I'm gonna cut you off. I don't care if you're in the middle of an argument. I don't care if you're in the middle of a objection. I don't care if you're in the middle of a witness. I'm cutting you off, and that's it." So at the end of their 8 hours and some minutes, some change, they better have made everything they know how to make, because say everything they had to say. So I don't know how this is gonna be good for Amber, honestly. I think this is gonna be terrible for her.